Welcome to Little Step Stories. Where is the sun? It was dawn, but it felt darker than usual. Where is the sun? Asked a little sparrow who always woke up early. Why is it so dark? Asked a snail. Is it still night? Asked a pigeon. Where is the sun? Asked a giraffe. Shouldn't it be up in the sky by now? Asked a zebra. At least it should be peeping a little, exclaimed a cow. All the animals and birds had woken up by now, but it still seemed dark. Let's ask the king of the jungle, suggested the monkey. So they all went to ask the lion if he knew where the sun was. I have no idea, said the lion. I am waiting for the sun to rise too, he added. Let's go to the nearby village and see if the sun has risen on the land of humans, the lion said to all the animals and birds. They all started walking towards the village. We are on the edge of the jungle. I can see the humans, but we still can't see the sun, said the lion. We must not go beyond this point, or else the humans will attack us, the lion exclaimed. Then how will we know where is the sun? Asked a squirrel. Maybe the birds can find out for us, said the monkey. Birds can fly up in the sky and look for the sun, he added. We don't fly in the dark, said the birds. Then who will find out where the sun is? Thought everyone. I can fly in the dark, said an owl. Great! So go find out where is the sun, said the lion. The owl flew up in the sky, but he could not see the sun anywhere. It was all dark. So he decided to go to the village and see if the humans knew where the sun was. When the owl reached the village, he saw that many people were standing outside their house and looking up at the sky. At first, he thought that the people were too looking for the sun. So he flew closer and noticed that everyone was wearing black sunglasses as they were looking up at the sky. The owl went and sat near a little boy. Why are you all wearing similar black glasses? Asked the owl. To look at the sun, replied the boy. Sun, exclaimed the owl. But where is the sun? We can't find it. It didn't rise this morning, he added. Sun rises every morning. Don't you know that? Asked the boy. It does. That's why we are wondering why it didn't today, said the owl. It did rise today too. Look, it is right there in the sky, replied the boy. Wait, don't look up at it without the glasses, the boy said before the owl would look up, and gave him a pair of sunglasses. Why? Asked the owl. To today is the solar eclipse, the boy said. A solar eclipse? What is that? Asked the owl. A solar eclipse is when the sun's light is blocked because the moon comes between the sun and our planet Earth, said the boy. See, it is still dark even after the sun has risen because the moon is not letting sun's light reach here, he added. Oh, that means the sun rose just like every day. But the moon is covering the sun? Asked the owl. Yes, and don't worry. Once the moon moves away, we will get the sunlight back, replied the boy. But it is said that we must not look at the eclipse directly with our eyes. It can spoil our eyes. So we are all looking at the eclipse with these black glasses, the boy explained. Oh, okay. This means there is nothing to worry about. Let me go and tell my friends, said the owl as he flew away. The owl flew back to the jungle and told all the animals and birds, Friends, the sun isn't missing. It is already up in the sky. But the moon is between the sun and the earth, which is not letting the sun's light reach the ground. It is called solar eclipse. How do you know this? Asked the lion. I went up in the sky as high as I could, but didn't find the sun. So I went to the village and saw all the humans staring at the sky with glasses. So I asked a little boy who told me everything about the solar eclipse, said the owl. And don't look at the eclipse, it can spoil your eyes, the owl added. So all the animals and birds felt happy to know the sun was there just like every day and kept walking back to the jungle. In some time, the moon moved away and the sun's light could now reach Earth just like every day. As soon as the eclipse was over, everything looked brightly lit up by the sunlight. The animals and birds were very happy to see the morning sun. They rejoiced in the sunlight. The birds chirped, the lion roared, the cow mooed, and the rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo.